Hello guys. Good morning. I need to go to the grocery to buy something. It's windy today. It's not so hot anymore. The wind it's a little cold only. The winter is coming. The summer is done. You see, my hair is flying because of the wind. I hope what I need is complete in by fresh, so that I don't need to go far from here. I need to go back right away so that I can cook before may alaga ulit ako. She has school today. When she wake up, I need to eat and take a bath and then take a nap again. And then when she wake up, I need to get ready for school. If she's sleeping, she wants me to stay with. She don't want me to leave her alone while sleeping. That's why before I need to. I am crossing the road. Let's go. I'm running. I'm going to go. Good morning po. May saging saba kayo, ate? Wala? Oo. Pwedeng Tagalog, pwedeng English.